How to change chat font size in line. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change chat font size in line. To change the chat font size in Line app, first of all open your Line application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the top right, you'll be able to locate the gear icon. Tap on this gear icon to open the settings menu. And in the settings menu, you will need to scroll down until you find this general section. Under it, here locate the chats option. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. Now here you will need to look for the option font size. You'll be able to see this option within the chat settings. Once you find it, at the right side, you'll be able to see the option that has been currently selected. Now to change it, you can simply tap on this font size option, and here in this pop-up, here if you'd like to change to a large, you can tap on this large option, and if you'd like to change it to the small, you can tap on the small option based on your preference. Once you tap on it, now you can see you have successfully changed the font size. To check it, you will need to first come back to this home page and tap on the chats icon at the central button below. Then tap on the chat that you'd like to open. Now inside it, here you'll be able to see you have successfully changed your chat font size to large. So by following these steps, you can easily change the chat font size in Line. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.